So my name's Thomas Rowett, I'm the director of South Yorkshire Joinery. South Yorkshire Joinery was founded by my father, Paul Rowett, in 1994. He's since retired and now I've took over. The company produces purpose-made staircases for local and national house builders. We also have another side of the business which is industrial style furniture, launched 2 years ago. We was previously using a handheld belt sander for the sanding of all stair components. I would say this sander has enabled us to turn maybe a 2 hours job sanding stairs into 10 minutes, if that. So it's been incredible, really. So we'd use it for as stringers, as treads, all stair components. Along with this furniture range, it would be the tabletops mainly. So we did shop around a bit. After an initial phone call with Kyle at Daltons Wadkin, he organised to actually come see us face to face and visit the workshop over from Nottingham, which immediately, it was quite impressive that he was going to come out and see us. He got a feel for the place, or the size of the company, answered key questions regarding the ducting and dust extraction, which I was initially concerned about. He told us that was needed to go overhead, which wasn't a problem. We got someone else to do that. It was part of some European levelling up fund, so deadlines had to be met and kept to, and Kyle was great at that. The machine arrived on time, which enabled us to claim our funding for the machine. Kyle was top notch, and yeah, everyone at Daltons Wadkin I can't recommend enough. So it's improved efficiency within the workshop. Like I said, a 2 hour job sanding stair components has gone down to around 10 minutes now, which has enabled us to produce more staircases weekly and monthly and yearly. It's very low maintenance. The only general thing is changing the belt. Changing the belt, once we recorded the initial man who set up the machine for us from Daltons Wadkin, which I was happy to do, we just passed that on to our staff, and now they just relate to that video, and it literally takes 5 minutes to change a belt. I would say it's a nice, friendly company. If you have a point of call, you can ring and you literally say, "Can Kyle ring me back?" Kyle rang back. That's always nice, just to have a personal touch and not dealing with a big corporate company that, you get lost from pillar to post.